Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to do some work in the front garden bed. I am going to stop procrastinating and get some things done. I am not going to get everything done because that's just too much to ask of me at this point in the year. So anyway, I'm going to go out there and get some work done. Then I'll probably cut the grass back in the back and then maybe do a few other things. But I thought I'd take you guys with me today. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have to be honest with you guys, these 3 pots in the front did horrible. Like, look at that. It looks like just twigs. And those are supposed to be zinnias and sunflowers in those pots. I mean, they look terrible. So now I'm going to take care of some of the weeds out front in the triangle bed. I'm a little afraid of the triangle bed, and just like, every time I try to plan what to plant in it, I never like follow through because it's just such an awkward space. I call it the triangle bed, but it's not really shaped like it's shaped like a very awkward triangle. And I don't know, what the prior owners were, what the thought process was with that space, but I'm happy to have it. I'm just a little nervous about what to put there. Like, I want it to look good from all angles, and then I want everything to work well together. So I guess I just need to stop procrastinating and just put some plants out there, put some of the things that I love and some of the things that I want to see in the front. I kind of feel an obligation, being a corner lot, to have a decent looking yard. So there are tons of weeds to pull in this bed. I actually spent probably about 2 hours just pulling weeds. I'm not going to show all that because it really isn't that interesting. So I'll show a little bit, but then you'll see me return to the backyard, which is my safe haven, and then I'll do some work back there. Hey guys, so I did a little bit of work out front. There was a lot more that I could do, and I will do it, but I wanted to get the grass cut in the back because that's where I spend most of my time, and that's like the space that really brings me joy. So I want to make sure that that looks good so that I can enjoy it this weekend. I think that I'm going to go tomorrow and get some of the free mulch that we've been getting locally. Our area has a place where you can bring like your yard scraps and yard waste, and they will like grind it up. So like your leaves, twigs, like all that stuff, they'll grind it up and they offer it as free mulch. So over the summer we've been going back and forth and getting that as we need it, and then this fall we plan to go back and get more as we start shutting down the garden beds. We're just gonna mulch them over, and hopefully that will help with weed suppression come next year. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and start the lawnmower. Sometimes like it doesn't want to start. I don't know why, because it's like 1 year old. We just got it early last year because our other one broke, but this one now is acting the same way. So I don't know. We'll see if I can get it started. I'm honestly surprised that the lawnmower even started, just given all the issues that we've had with it this summer. But I have one more space that I'm going to cut back here and up that way. That's why I keep pointing that way. But anyways, I think it looks good, except for that spot that I missed. Anyway, so after this, I'm going to decide if I want to do some weed whacking. I don't really feel like it, but I think I will, just so that everything looks super tidy, which is something that I do like around my edges, but I don't go for perfection in the garden because it is not attainable for me. So that is all of the grass that I have to cut in the back. We still have grass outside that hedge there, and then grass in the front yard that I'll just let my husband cut that. But I think I will try to do I'm out of breath. I think I will try to do some weed whacking and pull some of these grassy areas that have outgrown their little confinement. I'll take care of that. Oh my gosh, there's so many bugs. I'll take care of it. So I did the edging reluctantly, and I think everything looks really good. I still have some spaces to pull some stray weeds and grass, but at least the edging, you can see it. You can see the stone, and all of the stone that I use in the edging I found here in the garden. So when we moved in, our garden was severely overgrown, and just by like pruning things and removing things and pulling things out, I found like literally all the stone like that. Not the pebbles, we had those brought in, but like this stone here, all of the stone up there was already there. So it's looking really good. Little by little, it's gonna be all cleaned up and tucked in by winter. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.